My name is Ryan Chapman. I am an Assistant United States Attorney with the Department of Justice, and I handle complex and defensive litigation on behalf of the government. I think Moot Court was really invaluable as a first step on the path to becoming a lawyer. And Moot Court in undergrad was the first opportunity to really see what it is to think and do the work like a lawyer. So that was really just like the first step on the journey. Learning about the law, learning how legal issues work, it's important to being an informed citizen in this country. And Moot Court really helps you learn how to communicate ideas and advocate for ideas, and I think that's something that everyone can benefit from.
Moot Court is appellate simulation. There has been some kind of trial. Somebody has either been convicted of a crime or acquitted of a crime, or there's a question as to whether a law is constitutional, and this is the appeal before the Supreme Court of the United States. They improve their writing, they improve their ability to answer questions, to think on their feet, to develop arguments, and they become more professional. We really work with them on how to be professional. I think there's at least two distinctive factors between our program and other programs. One is the size. I keep the program small. Usually no more than 12 students. We don't have a travel squad. When we travel to competitions, everybody goes. Keeping the number small means that there's basically an assistant coach for each team at most competitions, and it means that I can work with most teams. And we really have very good assistant coaches. They're dedicated, they're devoted, they're diverse in terms of their demographics and in terms of what they do. And I have my students in front of these coaches, working with them regularly. I think that sets us apart from most other programs.
The value of being on a Moot Court team at Cal State Long Beach is its diversity. I remember feeling really impressed with our own team. We had students from all sorts of backgrounds, all sorts of ages, gender, ethnicity, including myself. We didn't see a lot of, Vietnamese competitors. In fact, I think I was probably the only one. It forces you to face the realities of the career that you're about to embark upon, but it's also really empowering, because when you're there with your team members, you're there with your coach and your teammates, and you see the diversity amongst your colleagues, and you realize that you belong in this space and that your team and your coach is there to empower you. It's really a special experience, and it taught me to really believe in myself, I think, and the confidence that a young college student needs to be able to take on their career goals. So I really appreciated that.
Everyone has a place here, everyone is welcome here, and everyone has an opportunity to succeed no matter what your background is. Moot Court really enabled me to be able to communicate my thoughts and perspectives, but also take others' thoughts and perspectives as well. Everything from constructive criticism to disagreement. That's important in everyday life and in the professional world. Every year, he's got alumni coming back in, helping. I come back in regularly because I feel I owe so much to him and this program that I want to give back to that next generation. It's one of the top programs in the country, and it provides an incredible service for its students and I think for the university at large.
Here, you're not paying that much, but you're going to get a lot of attention, a lot of support. And I think that's part of what makes this a great school. That, along with the fact that the faculty is really diverse, the students are really diverse, and it's a really inclusive place.